Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our next question, eighth one. What is that? They are given some vertices. After that, the vertices are making rhombus. Rhombus is nothing but all the sides are equal to each other. For that, for the rhombus, we have to find what are the lengths of sides and what are the diagonals, and we need to find its area also. So first one, we're going to calculate what are the sides lengths and what are the diagonals lengths, and what is they are given one hint also. As usual, the formula of area of an rhombus is equal to half into product of its diagonals. Let's going to take diagonals at d1 and d2, and they are going to take half into d1 into d2. So first one, let's keep some vertices here. So what is that? Triangle rhombus minus 4 comma minus 7 rhombus, and here B minus 1 comma 2 and C 8 comma 5 and D will be equal to 5 comma minus 4. So these are the diagonals. Let's going to consider D1 and D2. So D1 and D2. So first one, AB, BC, CD. So sides of rhombus will be equal to, so what are the sides? AB, BC, CD and DA. So these are the sides. Let's going to take AB length. So we know that what is the distance formula of two vertices or 2 points? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 is what? Minus 1. x1 is what? Minus 4. Square root plus y2 is what here? 2 minus of minus 7 whole square. So here dA and B. So for that, x1 and x2 and y1 and y2. So square root of minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 4 whole square plus 2 plus 7 whole square. So square root of minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 plus 4 is nothing but 3. 3 square plus 2 plus 7 will be equal to, what is that? 9 square. So this one you can take as it is. 3 square is nothing but 9 plus 91. So square root of 90. So square root of 90 we can write like another one, square root of 9 into 10. That is square root of 9 and square root of 10. That is 3 square root 10 centimeters. So this is the value of AB, 3 root 10. 3 root 10. What is another one? So first one we are calculated. So second one, AB finished and BC. So BC is square root of x2 minus x1. So here x2 is 8, x1 is minus 1 whole square plus y2 is 5 minus 2 whole square. So square root of 8 plus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 will become 3 square. So that is 3 square, and 8 plus 1 is 9 square plus 3 square is what? 9. 81 plus 9, that is 90. This one will become 9 into 10, you can write as it is, that is 3 into square root of 10. So how we got it? Based on this, we are already calculated. So this is 3 root 10. Next one, third one, CD. So CD, what is the side? Square root of CD. So C here, x2 8 minus x1 is 5 whole square, 5 minus of minus 4 whole square. So 8 minus 5 will become 3 square, 5 minus of minus 4 will become 5 plus 4 will become 9 square. So again 3 square is what? 9 plus 9 square is 81, 90. So the 9 square root of 90, 3 root 10. So 3 root 10. Again fourth one. So what is the fourth one? So fourth one is dA. dA, that is square root of x2 is what here? 5 minus x1 is what? Minus 4 whole square plus y2 is minus 4, y1 is what? Minus 7, minus of minus 7 whole square. So square root of 5 minus of minus will become plus 5 plus 4 whole square plus minus of minus 4 plus 7 whole square. So that is 5 plus 4 will become 9 square plus 3 square. So 9 square is 81 plus 3 is 9, that is square root of 90, that is 3 root 10. So what is that? 3 root 10. So here if you consider all the sides are equal to each other, then find what are the diagonals. So diagonals will be AC, that is AC will be equal to square root of what is this? 8 minus of minus 4 whole square plus 5 minus of minus 7 whole square. So what value we are getting here? The value will be equal to square root of 8 plus 4 whole square 5 plus 7 whole square. So 12 square plus 12 square. So 144 plus 144 we are getting. So 144 and 144 square root of then 288. So what is this value? 288. Then what is another diagonal? The diagonal will be BD. That will be equal to BD. So here D will be equal to 5 minus of minus 1 whole square plus minus 4 and minus 2 whole square. So minus 4 and minus 2 whole square. Then 5 plus 1 whole square minus 6 whole square. 6 square plus 6 square, we will get 36 plus 36. What value we are getting? 72. Square root of 72. Square root of 72. So this is the value. Let's going to find what is the area of the. So these are the diagonals. So BD is not equal to AC. Therefore, and all the sides are equal to each other. Therefore, AB will be equal to BC. That will be equal to CD. That will be equal to DA. So these are the sides. These are the sides. Next one, area of rhombus. We have to find it. Half into D1 into D2. Half into D1, we consider D1 as BD and D2 as CA. So half into BD is nothing but what? That is square root of 72, again square root of 288. So what value we will get it here? 1 by 2 into square root of 72 into 288. So half into square root of 72 to 88 is 20736. If you multiply 20736 we will get, and here 1 by 2 into 144 square. So if you multiply 144 into 144 we will get 20736. Let's going to do and check it here. So that will be 144 by 2, that is 2 sevens and 2s. So 72 centimeter square. What is the area of the rhombus? So this complete area of the rhombus, this is area of the rhombus. So what value we will get? Area will be equal to 72 centimeter square. So that is the value. Like this we have to find it for the given what is this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends.